Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode on our channel. On this video, let me tour you around the beautiful island of Siquijor. Let's go!
I'm just trying to be the best one out of all the realities. Maybe somewhere in a universe there's gotta be a better life for me.
Today we are going to visit the most beautiful spots here in Siquijor, and we opted to rent a tricycle driver for 1,500. Buong tricycle na yon, so kung dalawa kayo or tatlo kayo, pwede niyong paghatian. We chose this option para din hindi kami masyadong mapagod dahil medyo magkakalayo yung mga destinations, and para mag-last kami until tonight because today is a Friday, and Friday and Saturday here in Siquijor is JJ Backpackers Night. So try natin i-visit yun tonight, and again para hindi tayo pagod the whole day, but for now, let's have some breakfast kasi we have a free breakfast dito sa ating resort. So tara, let's go! Sana samahan nyo kami. Alam nyo guys, napansin ko dito sa Siquijor when we explored last night, totally not commercialized kasi wala kami nakita halos ng convenience stores, and even sa pinaka-center walang mga ganun, walang mga fast food restaurants. It's mostly mga resorts and mga local restaurants lang talaga. So the best time to go here is now na hindi pa siya fully developed or fully commercialized, which I think hindi naman kailangan. And I like the rawness of this island, like you will wake up in the morning ng ang maririnig mo is chirping of the birds, yung ugong ng boats, ganyan. Especially dito sa kung saan kami nag-i-stay, sobrang ganda. It's not a sunrise area, it's mostly sunset. And by the way, sobrang ganda ng sunset nila yesterday. Pero waking up to this kind of view and having a breakfast to this kind of view, it is so amazing. It's one for the books, guys. Daming sinabi, kakain lang. Actually, nag-text na yung tour guide namin. Andiyan na raw siya, so bibilisan na natin mag-breakfast. I'll see you guys later sa tour. Let's go!
Walk into the place, dispatch you from erase my heart, it started.
For our first stop, we're here at Cambugahay Falls.
Too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground.
Cambugahay Falls is located in Lazi in Siquijor, which is a 40-minute ride from San Juan, and I'm really glad na nag-tour na lang kami kasi medyo malayo-layo yung destination, and here you have to pay first an entrance fee of 50 pesos. So ngayon bababa na tayo. I'm so excited kasi this is one of the most beautiful falls. Actually, this is the most beautiful falls that I've seen before, and I'm happy to share it with you now, guys. So tara! So we just left our stuff here. 50 pesos for a locker para makapag-explore kami ng mas maayos at makapag-swim kami. Kasi nakapagpalipad na rin naman ako ng drone and nakapag-take ng photos. So ang dala ko na lang is this vlogging cam. So masasama ko pa rin kayo and then my cellphone. So tara! So here's the stage 3 guys, level 3. This is where you can swing easier. Mas maliit na tali siya and mas mababaw, I guess, na babagsakan compared dun sa pinakailalim, but I suggest you try both. So tara, mag-swing na tayo.
Underneath the mountain of makeup, just the words that you made up won't make you.
So nag-rent kami ng balsa dito. It's for 100 pesos lang. Libre picture na, tapos dadalhin ka pa dito sa may waterfalls mismo. Ayun si kuya yung nagpipicture sa amin. 1, 2, 3, go!
How you're like, then you say, don't you be afraid of being your life.
By the way guys, we paid an amount of 100 pesos and 20 pesos. So 100 for the balsa shot, lahat na kayo nun. And then 20 pesos for the swing. And then you're also encouraged to give tips to your photographers. Wala silang sinisingil na payment pero you can give them tips. And deserve naman nila kasi sobrang galing nila for your photos, for your videos, para sa mga reels nyo and TikTok. So, yun. Try natin yung swing doon sa level 1. And actually, sobrang fulfilled na ako for today just for this adventure, pero maraming pa tayong bibisitahin, so tara. Dito yung level 1 guys, so yan, dito yung panggagalingan yun, medyo mataas-taas. Actually yun, no, mas mataas. Sige, panoorin natin si ate. Whee! Nice one. There you go guys, that is Kambugahai Falls for you, one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world. Ngayon, lilipat na tayo ng ibang destination para ma-explore pa natin ang Siquijor. Let's go!
So, it's just begun. And there's something I did break down.
For our next stop, we are here at the Lazi Convent. It is also known as the San Isidro Labrador Parish Convent and was patterned after the Balay na Bato, a residential style introduced by the Spaniards in the Philippines. Right now, itong Lazi Convent is already converted as a museum. It is a house for religious artifacts and historical displays. Paano ko nalaman yung mga yon? Nandito guys, binabasa ko. So, i-scan nyo lang yung QR code to learn more about it, or better yet, visit Siquijor. So tara, explore na natin yung convent. It's an interesting museum kasi mostly ng mga museum na napupuntahan natin dito sa Philippines are more anthropology or archaeological or history. But here it's more on a religious museum like what you can see. So yan, napakaganda. The last time I visited Siquijor, hindi open yung Lazi Convent for public. And now na na-visit ko siya, I think it's a must for you to visit the Lazi Convent if you're here in Siquijor. Sabay nyo na rin yung San Isidro Parish sa katapat niya to pay a visit. And marami kayong matututunan. And it's not very common to have a museum that is more focused on religion. Kasi most of the museums that we get to see in the Philippines, mga historical museum, anthropological, ayun, mga ganon. But here, it's more on religion. So, ngayon, puntan tayo sa parish. Before we continue with the tour guys, mag-lunch muna tayo dahil it's almost 2 PM. Hindi namin namalayan yung oras. And dito tayo magla-lunch sa Lazi kasi dito maraming kainan. And we're here at Y Road. It's a restaurant along the road na maraming mga seafood and Filipino food. We opted to get a mixed seafood for only 300 pesos guys. It's already good for 2 to 3. And yung range ng food nila dito, yung prices is sobrang sulit. Mas sulit siya kumpara sa San Juan. It's only 200 pesos to 350 pesos. Good for 2 people na yon. So, ayun, nag-order din kami ng mango shake and watermelon shake for only 120 pesos each. So, tara, kain na tayo. By the way, rice is 20 pesos. Parang sweet and spicy na oystery. But isa lang masabi ko, sobrang sulit niya and mas mura siya compared dun sa mga restaurants we found in San Juan. So, if you're visiting Kambugahai Falls, or if you're here in Lazi, don't forget to try Y Road. Sulit.
You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby, make the same when I'm on my own.
For our next stop, we are here at Hapitanan. Ito yung may sikat na broom shot. Also has a very beautiful view at my back. Yan. You see, hindi lang adventures mga ginagawa natin today, more on photoshoots din and enjoying the scenery. So tara, pasok na tayo dito.
Dati wala pa yung store namin, yung mga turista, nagsa-stop talaga sa sa daanan.
For the view.
Yeah. Tapos naisipan namin lagyan ng tindahan para lang magbenta ng mga tubig, soft drinks. Tapos nilagyan ko ng platform para makita yung view. Tapos naisipan namin na lagyan ng broomstick. Tapos nagpicture-picture kami with my crew na jump shot. Kasi jump shot sila dun sa daan. So dito jump shot with the broom. Tapos pag picture namin, maganda siya tingnan. So ni-upload namin sa Facebook. Tapos nagsunod-sunod na. So yun lang. So yun yung maiisip mo pag Siquijor, mga myth ng Siquijor. So mga witches, myth lang po siya. Pero marami talaga dito yung yung mga manggagamot siya.
Healers. Ito ang nice. Let's get this. Tapos itong pink one. And then sa broomstick din. Tapos dito meron yung mga potions. For our next spot, we are here at the Balete Tree Fish Spa. This is home to the century-old Balete Tree na merong fish pa sa baba niya. Yung fish pa na sinasabi ko is yung mga fishes, yung mismong mamassage sa'yo, I guess, and magtatanggal ng mga dumi-dumi sa balat mo. Not sure if it's recommended health-wise, but let us try and see. And it's also home to mga bilihan ng mga pasalubong, mga potions, mga gayuma, ganyan. So if you're looking for that, or if your friends are asking you for that, dito nyo siya mabibili sa Balete Tree. So tara! So this is how the fish spa looks like. Magbayad ka lang pala guys ng 20 pesos entrance fee, and lulublob nyo lang yung paa nyo, tapos yung fishes na yung bahala sa inyo. Sabi nila pag laging lumalapit yung mga fishes sa'yo, sobrang dumi ng paa mo. Pero guys, hindi pala to recommended sa may sugat, no? Kasi may napanood ako na na-infect yung niya, yung sugat niya. Got worse. Ouch! Masakit. Well, masakit siya sa una, pero you'll get used to it. Mas okay lang yung maliliit na isda, pero kasi kapag yung malalaking fish na yung kumakagat sa'yo, it feels weird. Parang gusto mo silang itaboy. Kasi yung sanction niya, grabe. I don't know if you can see yung big fish. Ayan, papunta sa'yo.
Nakasend siya ng food.
Yan, may bili na ice cream dito. Tapos dito mga bags. Then shirts na may Siquijor na sign. Tapos dito sa dulo yung mga Siquijor brand. Yung mga voodoo dolls, ganyan. Oils. Yan yung Balete Tree, and then dito more shops. Actually, ang gaganda ng mga bag dito We are leaving the Balete Tree. Sobrang nakaka-enjoy siya. Ito pala sobrang nakaka-enjoy siya, and nakakiliti yung mga maliit na fish. Nilalayuan namin yung malaking fish kasi grabe mag-sanction yung mga nguso nila. Then ang dami rin mga bibili ng mga pasalubong. Fairly priced naman siya. If you are here, ang mga specific or mga unique na pwede nyong mabili is mga love potions, ganyan, mga voodoo dolls, which is Siquijor is known for. Ayun, sobrang amas na mag-visit dito kasi it's something so unique and different. So, tara, let's go to our next destination.
I'll be your home, I'll be your distance, I'll be still, I'll stay quiet.
For our next stop, we are here at the Pitago Cliff. It is named after the trees that are surrounding me right now. These Pitago trees are so unique, and para siyang naka-filter kasi yung pagka-green niya sobrang ganda. And now as we approach the cliff itself, it reminds me of, although hindi pa ako nakapunta, para siya Greece ng mga cliffs, ganon. Let's see. Here is your Mamma Mia moment. I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. Pwede ka mag-jump doon kasi mababaw lang naman and malalim enough yung water. From what I've heard, the one here, the highest one, you can jump from here, but an accident happened so hindi na pwedeng mag-jump doon. Pero pwede ka mag-jump doon sa mga ilalim.
I'm just trying to be the best one out of all the realities. Maybe somewhere in a universe there's gotta be a better life for me. There's
What better way to end this beautiful tour day but by visiting the Paliton Beach and witnessing the Siquijor sunset. This is one of the most beautiful beaches here in Siquijor, and they also call this as the Little Boracay. I can see why, because of the sand. It's powdery white and also the palm trees. But for me, it has its own charm, it has its own beauty, and although there are a lot of changes that happen, like marami nang naging cafe, marami nang naging tindahan, it's still the beautiful Paliton Beach that I saw last 2019. So tara, let's spend the beautiful sunset here. While we are waiting for the sunset, let me tour you around Paliton Beach. There's a sign there that says welcome to Paliton Beach. Tapos ito yung mga photo spots, photo ops, mga swing. And then dito rin yung mga store dito sa kabila. Then I see here something that I've always wanted to try since Bohol. Sea urchin. Then doon may nagtitinda ng fish. Tapos sea urchin din dito. And more stores here. Tapos yung spot doon is more on tambayan. I have always been curious kung ano yung lasa ng sea urchin. Sa lawaki pala to na type. So, ganyan lang siya sa loob. Itong mga yellow part, ito yung edible. Ito lang po, yung ganito lang po. Ito po, hindi po. Okay po. So, lagyan natin ng suka. By the way, 5 piso lang pala to guys. So, yan. Sarap. Parang itlog. Ang konti niya lang pero ang sarap. Hey guys, we're back here in our resort room. Sobrang saya ng araw natin. Today, para sa mga expenses, ilalagay ko na lang either sa video or sa description box. Either tips or kahit anong expenses na nagastos natin for today. And pagkarating namin dito sa resort is nag-freshen up lang kami. We had a night swim. It was so nice. Kami lang yung tao. And medyo maalat-alat yung pool nila. Expected kasi nasa beachfront ka. But yep, let's go na sa ating dinner spot for tonight. Yung nireserve natin kahapon, which is Baja Bar, for 695 pesos. Only seafood and lechon. I'm really so excited about that kasi I love seafood and for sure fresh yung seafood nila. So tara na, let's go!
Say you're a vampire and you're burning in the light. Stuck watching movies, I can't stand the black and white.
So we are already here in Baja Bar. Pakita ko sa inyo yung menu nila for their buffet tonight. So for starters, we have the crab and corn soup, bread, rice, vegetarian pasta, mixed veggies, chicken menudo, crab and coconut milk, tahong, pusit, tapos may chicken fingers, baklay, onion rings, sweet potato fries, tapos sa dessert, ayan, then fish and lechon.
Maybe I'm being stupid for being a martyr. Maybe it's time that I stop. Cause I don't wanna know if I'm better off alone. I'm so happy when I'm sad.
That's it for today's video guys. Thank you for watching and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!